Hey guys, this is Cody Dunn with the Streaming Center, and I know we got a lot going on right now with COVID and everybody is reacting, but if you have a channel with the Streaming Center, we wanted to stop and make sure that you knew what tools were available for you so that you can respond to your audience right now, giving them the information they need so that you can make an impact even right now and not even go quiet into the night, but let your audience know you are there and you are prepared. So one of the first things you need to do is understand that your station, be it TV or radio, needs to be a PSA. You need to be the public service announcement. You need to let your local government bodies know that you have a platform that is broadcasting 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on multiple platforms. You're not just on Facebook, you're not just on YouTube, you're not just on Periscope, you're not just on your website, you're on all of those platforms in real time. That being said, what's the message? What is the messaging? What information does your community need to know right now? So make your station a PSA. Number two, everybody is gloom and doom and panic and fear. Well, I'm going to encourage you to be something different. I'm going to encourage you to offer hope. I'm going to encourage you to offer reasoning. I'm going to encourage you to slow down the conversation. Be encouraging. You have a platform. The purpose of your platform is not to promote fear. You can be prudent. You can be operating in your wisdom. And you can give people the information they need through a positive way. So offer hope. I like to believe that goodness travels faster than negativity. And I know that's not the reality, but if you are constantly promoting positive messaging right now, you may help somebody calm down. And then the third thing I want you to recognize is that if you have a 24/7 channel, radio or TV with the Streaming Center, it's always on. So when someone can't sleep in the middle of the night and they go to Facebook or they go to YouTube, your live signal is there. And after you give the information and after you offer hope, make a direct appeal. Appeal to that person listening to support you, to support the work of the ministry, to support what needs to happen now. Let them know in transparency. We will take a financial hit. However, if everybody chips in a little bit, we can all weather this storm and we can still be there to serve the community and serve the people that need us most. Listen, this is not the time for you to operate in fear, but through wisdom, maximize this moment. Move your message forward. Now, if you need additional assistance, I have asked my team to make sure my calendar is open. So all this week, we will be doing marketing calls to help you get the word out. All you got to do is click the link below or go to the Streaming Center and request a consultation. We will help you market your message. This is not the time for you to operate in fear. This is not the time for you to be afraid. This is not the time for you to be silent. This is the time for you to get help if you need it. And we're here to help you. We are at the Streaming Center. I am Cody Dunn. Get on my calendar. Let me help you get your message to the masses.